Okay, here we're going to use Descartes' rule to determine the possible number of positive and negative solutions. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to look and see what are the positive solutions, or how many of them are. So we're going to look at the function, which is f of x and that's equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 34. So we want to take a look at this and determine, okay, where are there sign changes? Well, we have one sign change that goes from the first term to the second term because it's positive x cubed minus 2x squared. And we have another sign change that goes from negative 16x to positive 34 because we only have two of them there. So we have either 0 or 2 for the possible positive solutions. So 0 or 2. And then to determine how many possible negative solutions there are, we want to evaluate this function where it's negative x, and we're going to plug in negative x for each x into the function. So this is negative 2 times negative x squared minus 16 times negative x and then plus 34. So we get negative x cubed, and this becomes negative 2. Negative x squared is positive x squared. And then negative 16 times negative x is positive 16x, and that's plus 34. So here we want to determine, okay, where are there sign changes? Well, there isn't a sign change between the first and the second term. There's a sign change here, and then there's only one of them. So we only have one. So therefore, there are the number of negative real zeros that are possible. So now what we want to do is we want to be able to confirm by graphing. So let's just go ahead and use our Desmos calculator here, and we're going to plug in this function. So we're going to put in x, and then we're going to cube it, and then minus 2, and then x squared, and then minus 16x, and then plus 34. Okay, so we want to be able to see the whole picture here. So maybe we need to kind of change up our settings. So this looks like this goes all the way up to, let's say, 50. And so let's go ahead. We're going to put in our x-axis. It's going to go between negative 10 and positive 10. And then let's use negative 60 and then positive 60. So therefore we can kind of see this a little bit better here. So there is a 0, there is a 0, and there is a 0. So let's go ahead and copy this graph. So this confirms it. So if we take a look here, we have a positive 0 here. We have another positive 0 here, which gave us either 0 or 2. And then over here we have a negative 1, negative 0.